birthday, I think 3-4 days, and yeah, there's a lot that needs to be done. My hair, my nails, my lashes. I just wanted to show you guys this quickly. So Oya got me this bracelet last time when we were coming back from Poch, and he actually sells like bracelets and necklaces. I'll leave the link to his Instagram page in the description box. But how cute and sentimental is this? So I love bags. The lantern means I'm a light in his life, and I forgot what the sunglasses mean, but yeah, it's a very nice gift. So now I'm at China Mall to look for something.
I like this dress. It's available in blue. There's black too. I'm leaning towards the black. And there's another that's fun black dress. I really like little black dresses, quite honestly, and the heels that I'm wearing are black, so I think that's why I'm leaning towards a black dress. But if I find something else in a nice color, I will get it. Yeah, but I'm not very impressed, man.
Okay guys, I found a cute dress, but none of the ones that I picked. I wanted the black one, but I didn't have a size in the one with those cups and stuff. It's so cute, but Dololo is size. And then later on, as I was looking, I found another dress similar to those ones, but in green, but you guys will see it in the next vlog. Now I'm off to go do my nails, then I'm going to do my hair tomorrow, and hopefully I'll do my lashes on sorry guys, hopefully I'll do my lashes on Thursday. That's if my lash technician finally shows up for the girl. But yeah guys, this is basically, I don't think I mentioned it earlier, this is basically a maintenance vlog per se, or a vacation preparations vlog. So shopping, packing, and starting to look pretty. But I'll catch you guys where I do my nails. Yeah guys, I'm home. That took forever, but I am so happy. Now a girl is almost ready for hot girl. So once my hair's done, now I don't know how to act. I'm busy in Kruma, so she actually executed what I wanted the way I wanted it. They are so perfect. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. My hair is a mess, but I'm going to get it done right now, and I didn't really care about combing it properly, moisturizing it, doing my edges because I am actually quite late. What's the time, Uya? It's 10 past 11. It's 10 past 11, and I'm supposed to be at the salon at 11, but it's at least 10 minutes away, and I have to buy hairpiece, so I'll probably get there 11:30. Sarah's probably so tired of me because I usually get there at like 9. Already by 9 o'clock she was calling me like, hi dear, are you still coming? Because I didn't really make an appointment. Then when she called, I told her I'll come around 11. So yeah, but I just know I'm gonna look cute. I'm a bit worried because I'm doing something very different. I'm doing a different color, I'm doing a different length. It's not my usual go-to, but I'm going there and and Sarah always understands the assignment. So yeah, let's go. It's by Boulders in Midrand, by the way. Just in case you are interested, you can DM me and I'll give you her details. But yeah, masambe. and she had a client, so I've been waiting. They washed my hair, so I decided to just get myself fries and try out the iced coffee. And they didn't have the vanilla one. I got the hazelnut one. It's probably ugly. Having a big head is a curse because you're... Hi guys, it's the day before my trip, but I'm on my way to the mall. Yeah, I'm on my way to the mall to get last minute things and yeah, just to buy a few things, cake, using the shotayo, and then today I'm gonna pack and stuff. So today's day is gonna basically be about but no, my English, I'm in a hurry, okay, but I just didn't want to not breathe, so forgive me. I think they're actually so used to you now because it's been 3 days now. Yep. 3. I go live vlog son. Guys, I'm proud of myself. I went to this camp and bought exactly what I needed. Exactly what I need. Okay, except for the hand wipes. I had not had that on my list, but I do need them. So, didn't go to makeup. Oh shoot, there's something I forgot, but yeah. Hi guys, I'm back from the mall. I'm so tired. I still have to go to Westpac to go get balloons. I just want to take a cute picture like for Instagram, basically like for my birthday. And then I also went to Mr. Price and I got a cup like flip-flops, literally for 25 rand. Plain white flip-flops because I actually don't have flip-flops. I have sandals and stuff, but I don't have flip-flops. And then biker shorts for tomorrow. I want to wear like a nude cute outfit. And then I went to Pick and Pay and I got like Red Bull, Jaeger, snacks, and then I went to Woolworths to buy my cake and cupcakes basically. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna nap for now, then go buy the stuff at Westpac, do my face, take the pictures, and start my celebrations today. Oh, and pack. See you guys later.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another
Guys, they're so cute. I hope you guys can hear me properly because the wind is winding. But and how extra they are. Imagine if they flew away right now. Before I've taken my pictures, I'd be so upset. But now I'm officially excited for my birthday because of these balloons. How weird. The festivities can start. Before I even speak, can we just acknowledge how beautiful I am and how nice this beach is, and like just let's just take a moment, please. But I stuck my lashes on weird, like this side is stuck a bit more into my inner corner, and my glue was finishing, so I could not afford to fix it. It was either this or my lash, and that was not possible. I wanted to be a bad in these pictures. I wanted to look good. I didn't do my nails and my hair for nothing. Period. But yeah guys, I just finished taking pictures. You guys will see them on my Instagram on Saturday because this will probably be uploaded on Friday. Hopefully. But yeah guys, this is the end of today's vlog. I'm gonna go pack now, wait for my mom to come back. We're gonna sing, have cake, eat, and then I'm gonna pack and then I will see you guys in my next vlog, which will be my birthday weekend vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Bye.